stop. Chrissy, I'm trying to talk to you. Listen to me. About a month ago, you had 2 major achievements. You hit 100,000 followers on TikTok and 25,000 on Instagram. Can you go back to Chrissy? Come here. Okay, I know it's very exciting, but listen to me. And I want to do a toast to you because those are big achievements. And I also want to thank all your followers because they support you, and without them, you know, you wouldn't have such a great social media following. So here, Chrissy, cheers. All your hard work. Come on, come on, come on. Have some. Have some. Have some. Okay. And you now have 105,000 followers on TikTok and 27,000 on Instagram. So you've gotten even a little more since then. And TikTok invited you to have a tip jar, which means that if your followers really love your dances, they can give you a tip. Isn't that nice? So congratulations, Chrissy, and thank you so much to everybody. I really appreciate your support and hope you continue to enjoy Chris's dancing. Bye.